The hearing this week will decide if a Colquitt County woman was justified in shooting her roommate's husband in 2022.
That's right, Carla. Caitlin Ireland was processed today on additional charges in the death of Jason McCollum. You may remember we reported those additional charges were brought against her earlier this month. WALB News 10's Fallon Howard reports on the new developments in this case.
Kind of a blur in some way to speak, but it's also I know that I felt truly that my life and my safety was at risk.
Enforcement says Ireland lived with McCollum's estranged spouse, which is where the deadly shooting happened. Several McCollum's family members tell me they can't put together the pieces on why this happened. Dustin Land tells me that in his years of experience, rarely has he had to file an immunity motion with a case like this because his client believed her life was in danger.
It means that the justice system has worked for a defendant, and sometimes I feel like it doesn't work for a defendant, but if we are successful in this case, then I will be satisfied that it's worked.
Scotty Ireland is a law enforcement officer and says being on the other side of the law is different as a parent.
I feel more at ease that we are making some progress with the case. It was a bit stressful at first, but it has gotten better. No parent wants to see their child go through anything like this.
I know what this process has been like for me, and I know what I've gone through. I wouldn't even try to begin to imagine what they've gone through. And, you know, despite what's been said and what's being said, I do still have that compassion, you know, for them and for the entire situation.
The hearing, if not complete today, will be back here Wednesday, April 24th. Now, if the judge does not grant the immunity motion, then this case will go to trial. We will continue to update these details as we get them. Fallon Howard, WALB News 10, your hometown news source.